Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming bolt size and thread pitch so you use the right tools. Remove grease and rust with solvent and a wire brush. Blow out chips with compressed air. Once clean, inspect the threads for gouges versus flattened crests. This tells you whether to chase or recut. If cross-threaded, back it out gently to avoid worsening. Make sure to gather a matching dye, chase/tap set, lubricant, and a vise before proceeding to thread restoration. You now repair by running a thread chaser or dye over the bolt while lubricated. This restores form without removing excess material. Secure the bolt in a vise to hold it steady, then apply the dye squarely, turning slowly and reversing periodically to clear chips. If threads have deep burrs, dress them with a fine file first so the dye doesn't bind. Make sure to test engagement often with the mating nut. When it threads smoothly, you've restored acceptable contact, and you finish by removing all metal chips and re-cleaning the bolt, then apply anti-seize or thread locker depending on service needs. If the die can't restore function because threads are too damaged, upgrade to an oversized bolt or use a helicoil or insert in the tapped hole. These restore strength and fit. Once reinstalled, torque gradually to spec and recheck after the first use. If binding or looseness appears, stop, disassemble, and reassess. Misalignment usually causes repeat failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.